Hello and welcome back. In the last two videos, we have seen that what is Kaggle, how to download dataset from here, and I have also shown you an online platform called Colab on which you can work with your data. I have done a little bit of pre-processing in my previous video, nothing much, just a little bit of scaling. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert your final predictions into the required format that is that you can submit on this platform for on in the competitions for evaluation. So this is my profile, and here I have already worked on this. So I will just quickly go through everything and then tell you how you can do the same. So first of all, I will connect my notebook, and in the previous video also I've shown you how to come to this platform and connect everything and then load data on this platform so that you can work on it without downloading any external third-party softwares. So I've connected to the RAM and the disk, so I will just execute the cells one by one. So this is the import cell, and this is loading the data. If I run this cell now, it will show an error because I don't have any data in this platform. So I will again upload it here. Just give me a second. I will just drag and drop it here from my PC, and it will get uploaded. As you can see, progress bar here, it is getting uploaded. After uploading it, I will load it in this cell by executing this command. I am not going to tell you how to do things in this video. I will just show you how to prepare the data in the required format so that you can submit it on Kaggle, because this series is not about data science, but rather it is more focused on how to use Kaggle to improve your skills. So the train CSV is uploaded and the data is loaded now. We can see the head of the data and all the columns it has. I will create a train test split. This is my training data, and this is my this is my labels for like 451650 ID. I have the label calories 66. So it is not in my training data, it is in my label column. So I train basically. So this is some description of my height column, and I have scaled it. Now we are going to do the same. One more step we are doing, that we are converting the male and females into numerical values because the model will only understand numbers. Now we are going to train the linear regression model, a very basic, simple, and the easiest model which you can start with if you are a beginner. So for the purpose of this video, I'm using that. This is the same pre-processing which I did on my training set. I have to do on my test set also. So this is the test set, and now I will do the predictions. So these are my predictions. Okay, so this is the mean absolute error. So in the problem, if you are going to see, then you won't find mean absolute error as the evaluation matrix. I've shown you this earlier also, that our evaluation matrix is this one. So the algorithm on this platform is going to evaluate our predictions on the basis of this error function, so this loss function. And I am using MAE because it is simpler to implement, and it is for the purpose of this video only. I won't be going into depth. The main purpose of this video is to show you guys how to convert your final predictions into the required format which you can upload it on Kaggle. So this is the main code, and you can see that I have one ID column here, and corresponding to the ID I have the calories predicted as per my data. Okay, so now what I will do, I will just convert it into a submission CSV. So yeah, so it took a little bit of time, but you can see the generated file is here, and you can preview it also on this. And I have done this index equals false so that I only get the ID column as my first column and the calories, the predicted calories, as my second column, which is the required format of this competition also. As you can see in the data tab in sample submission, I have this ID and calorie. So we can verify it from here, and now I will download this. So the downloading has been completed, and now we can upload it here. Now coming to this competition, you can see submit prediction button here up on top. So you can just drag and drop the CSV file here. So that is what I am going to do. From my downloads, I will just drag it and drop it here. So as my file is in the required format only, so it won't be showing me any errors, or that is what I'm hoping it should do. So I can also write some description for my submission, like this is my first submission and it is with all the basic things, very minimal data pre-processing and a very simple model, that is linear regression. Without doing anything, we just predicted everything and we are going to submit it. So I will just write the description as initial submit, so that when I come to the history in future, I will be able to see my different submissions and the descriptions associated with each of my submissions. So now it will give me the score also here. As far as I remember, it should give me a score here. So okay, it has shown me one error. So it is showing that submission must have 25,000 rows. Okay. Okay. So as I told you guys, it has been long since I am doing all these things again. So the issue is that I am submitting the predictions on the test set that I have created from my training data only. But if you see the files that they are providing us, you can see that they are providing us with three files: train, test, and sample submission. So I've done everything on my train CSV. So now I want to use this model which I have trained on my train CSV to test, to predict on test CSV. So in the code, as you can see, I have all done all those things on my on the portion of my train CSV data only. So I will first import my test CSV data here, and then I will do all the pre-processing that I have done on the previous data, on the train data, and then I will predict it, and then I'll generate the submission file, and then I will upload it. So for your benefit, I will do it online on live only. So let's see what we can do here. So I will just run this cell. Now we have generated the predictions. Okay, and now we will convert everything in submission CSV. I'll name this as test submission CSV this time. We'll run the code and it should appear here. As you can see, now I'll download this one. It is getting downloaded and it is completed. Now we'll come here, we will submit predictions again. I'll just drag and drop it here again. Test submissions, and I hope this time we won't get any errors. This is the second submission on test data, so that we know in future what we did. And let's wait and see. This time we should not get any errors. Okay, another error. Mean squared logarithmic error cannot be used when targets contain negative values. Okay, so this is the new thing which we have just learned now. So we need to address it. So as you can see, now we have no negative values in it. So I will again just convert it into PDF. I'll just change the name to submission 2 so that we can distinguish it here. And now I will download this and we will repeat the same process here again. Submit prediction, submission, replacing negative values with 0. So great. So we have a score. We have successfully submitted the submission file, and this is how we do it. So you have seen that I encountered two errors. The second was because I didn't know about the loss function. So in the process you get to learn new things. So that is how we learn and grow in this field. So you get to explore different things every day and you learn about it. Like from next time, if I ever see this loss function again, I will know that it doesn't expect any negative values because we have log in it. So it won't be able to calculate the score because the predictions has negative values. So I will be ready beforehand. So we have created a successful submission here. We have got a public score here, and this is how you submit to a competition on Kaggle. So this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching, guys. If you want to ask anything related to this video or any previous video which I've made, you can just drop your questions in the comment down below, and I will try my best to answer each and every comment that you guys drop if it is relevant. Otherwise I will just ignore it. So thank you for watching. See you next time.